In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best electric scooter under $500 in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Cugookieran Mini 2 Folding Electric Scooter for Kids. This scooter 150-watt strong powerful brushless motor provides a quick speed with less noise, allowing it to climb steep roads angled at degree 5. And this scooter max 10 to 15 kilometers running distance. Fast folding design, stable and convenient. 854,420,340 mm folding size, space-saving and portable to carry, easily cope with heavy traffic. It also be large capacity lithium battery, high rate power supply, speed up, high efficiency, long distance endurance of up to 40 to 60 kilometers. This battery charging time only 6 hours. Dual brakes for ultimate control with a combo of electric brakes and a back foot brake. It provides extra protection. Effective anti-skid protection for children. We put a layer or rubber on handlebar and platform to keep you safe. High quality tire construction. 8.5-inch front solid tire makes powerful water dispersion and exception grip on road. Number 4. Mankiel Folding Electric Scooter. Aluminium framed of the accessories, a unified and simple geometric design is adopted, and the color is harmonious. This scooter 350-watt strong powerful brushless motor provides a quick speed with less noise, allowing the disc brake disc in 120 mm. The front wheel is an ABS anti-lock brake system, and the rear wheel is a ventilated disc brake system, which can achieve efficient braking and rapid response, safe and worry-free riding. It also be fast folding in 3 seconds, can be loaded directly into the trunk of the car. High safety 18,650 power lithium battery capacity 10.4 amp hour, high rate high power supply, speed up, high efficiency and direct. Long distance endurance of up to 45 kilometers. The intelligent battery management system has 6 intelligent protection with safe and durable performance. When the brake lever is pressed, the rear warning light flashes continuously to warn the vehicles coming from behind, whether it is day or night, just to protect your safety. Number 3. Worms Powerful Electric Scooter. Aviation-grade aluminum alloy integrated body, fine spraying process in lifting the anti-aircraft. Corrosion ability, at the same time, make metal more delicate and beautiful. It also be 350-watt cordless motor, high power, low energy consumption, and high durability. This scooter maximum speed 30 km/h. High carbon steel disc brake response is more sensitive and safe, where resistance high temperature resistance hardness. High is more suitable for brake disc materials. It also be large capacity 6.6 amp hour lithium battery, long distance endurance of up to 30 km speed per hour, and this scooter charging time 6 to 8 hours. Just dial button and press. You can complete the folding of the car body and solve the problem of moving the car after driving, and can be easily put into the trunk of a car. It also be a digital display. The display show speed can reach 30 km/h and a hearty driving experience is realized. Honeycomb puncture-proof tire without the risk of puncture, and puncture result is safer during driving. Number 2. HXX8 10-inch folding electric scooter. The use of tough aluminum alloy as the main load-bearing material, low density but high strength with excellent thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance. It also be 350-watt brushless high-performance motor, the strongest shock absorption, easy through speed bumps and uneven pavement. Maximum speed 45 km/h. It also be large capacity 40 lithium battery cells, detachable battery prolong the riding distance, and replaceable battery design. The battery is on the pole and has good waterproof performance. Disc brake system and ABS anti-lock system, high efficiency braking, and quick response, safe and worry-free riding. 3-second fast folding, pleasant experience, simple as the ultimate complexity, endless pursuit of minimalist design. High-definition LED screen will let you know all kinds of situation at any time and control the scooter situation. It also budget-friendly electric scooter on market. Number 1. Jumer electric scooter for adult. Excellent model design, reliable performance. It also be powerful brushless 350-watt motor, up to 15.5 mph. This scooter maximum speed 25 km per hour. It also be large capacity 7.8 amp-hour lithium battery. Long service life, high safety, and quality travel. 25 to 30 km travel range, charging time 4 to 5 hours. It also be app control system, on-off headlight, lock scooter, adjust gears, and riding mileage control. Easy folding carry design, suitable for quick storage and transportation, foldable and portable electric scooter. It also add LED display. This display can show speed, gears and status. LED headlight drive safely in the night traveling.